In order to meet the needs of our customers and create an agile work environment, Amtech has developed a proprietary operating system to run every aspect of our business, from design to procurement to assembly and ultimately delivery. AmtechOS ensures that our circuit boards consistently deliver accurately and on time. AmtechOS makes our process agile for our customers and provides them with increased insight into the production process. It allows us to easily get the parts we require in a timely fashion at the best possible cost without excess inventory sitting in our warehouse. It measures speed of the assembly and connects seamlessly with our billing system. And it gives our leadership and managers an understanding of worker productivity so we can proactively staff up or reallocate resources to meet the needs of our customers. AmtechOS is designed to keep us compliant with many quality standards our customers require without extensive programming. This includes ISO 9001 and those found in the aerospace, medical, and automotive industries. In short, AmtechOS helps our customers get the level of service they require to drive their business forward.